So we're already familiar with some of the other film gauges that we've already looked at in previous tutorials. We looked at 16mm and Super 8 and Standard 8. But we're going to have a look at more of an odd bird now, and this is 28mm, which at Huntley Film Archives we have quite a lot of. Till relatively recently we haven't even really been able to look at it because we haven't had a player. But now we have a gate on our scanner, which means that we can scan. So 28mm. Invented around 1912 by Parfait Frère in France. So it's a French gauge that was created specifically to be safe for the amateur home movie. Not so much maker, just projector. Somebody who wanted home cinema and to show their friends and family little films. This was the gauge that was created for that purpose. So why 28mm? The main and most important thing is it is a safety format, so it's not nitrate. So even though the films were created and filmed as a nitrate negative, the positives that were then shown in the home were safety. In order to make sure that that was very clear to the user, you can see by having a look at this that you've got 4 frames, 4 perforations down one side of the frame and 2 down the other. This meant it wasn't possible to actually run the film accidentally. You could only run 28mm on your projector and not bring the more deadly nitrate into the house. So it's interesting that film laboratories were thinking about the consequences of safety. There were already by 1912 there'd been quite a number of serious fires in cinemas, there'd been fatalities. So this was an issue that was beginning to be looked at seriously. 28mm was the answer.